1 in 3 adults isn't getting enough sleep. And it's not just about feeling tired. It could be quietly wrecking your memory, your metabolism, and your mood every single night. Here's what most people don't realize. When you don't get enough deep sleep, your brain doesn't get time to clear out waste products, including proteins linked to cognitive decline. Your body also loses its ability to regulate blood sugar properly, which is part of why chronic poor sleep is linked to weight gain. And your immune system? It takes a hit too. One study found sleep-deprived people were nearly 3 times more likely to catch a cold when exposed to a virus. This isn't rare. It's the new normal. So people try to fix it. They take melatonin. But melatonin isn't a sedative. It's a timing signal. It tells your body when to sleep, not how to stay asleep. That's why so many people fall asleep fine, but wake up at 2 a.m. and can't get back down. Others just try to sleep more hours. But sleep isn't one long, uniform state. It cycles through stages every 90 minutes. Light sleep, deep sleep, and REM. If those cycles get interrupted, even 8 hours can leave you feeling like you got 4. And then there's the cycle everyone knows too well. You're tired, so you're stressed about being tired, which makes it even harder to fall asleep the next night. So what actually helps? Not just knocking you out, but supporting the systems that regulate how you sleep. That means ingredients that help calm the nervous system, support natural melatonin production, and help you stay in deeper sleep stages for longer, not just fall asleep faster. This is the gap most sleep products miss. They focus on sedation, not sleep quality. This is exactly why I started looking into U-Sleep. Instead of relying on sedation, it's formulated around ingredients that support your body's natural sleep architecture, helping you fall asleep, but also stay in the deeper, more restorative stages of sleep. People been using it, and the difference hasn't been about knocking out faster. It's been about waking up actually feeling recovered, not groggy. If you've been stuck in that cycle of falling asleep fine, but waking up wired at 2 a.m., or sleeping 8 hours and still feeling exhausted, it might not be about sleeping more. It might be about sleeping better. I'll leave a link below to U-Sleep if you want to check it out. And just so you know, that's an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission if you make a purchase, at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. And here's to actually waking up rested.